Let's see what a ball magnet looks like. And there it is. So where are those wings coming from? There's only one place that they're coming from, and that's from the inertial line, because a magnet has 6 sets of wings. A set coming out from the inertial line into the middle, one from the middle coming out, and one from the middle going into the inertial line. Now, what does God have to say about the wings of his throne and the 4 wheels? Because this is extremely important. Now this is important, so listen closely, because we're going to correspond it to a magnetic picture. Their wings were spread out over them, with two of the wings, each living being reached out to touch the other one near it, and with the other 2 wings, it covered its body. Each living being went in the direction it was looking. They went wherever the Spirit caused them to go, but they did not turn when they moved. This is what the living creatures look like. Okay, here's an arrangement of 5, 6 magnets. But it doesn't matter because they're next to each other. If it was only 4, the connections would be the same. So I want you to have a look. There are 2 wings touching either side of the faces here. And there are 2 wings in front of its face right here. And strangely enough, just because of the connections that I've made, that's actually the 5-pointed Star of David in the center, and there are 5 sets of wings on there that are covering the face of that magnet. So not only have I shown that there are wings on the magnets, I've also shown that the connections that magnets have with other magnets, energy objects, corresponds exactly to the biblical description of God's wheels on his throne. And I'm going to show you Ezekiel's wheels with eyes all around the edges in a minute. Now, just so everybody knows, this is the halo wave that I constructed to show how things actually move, and obviously, as you can see, it corresponds to my magnetic field of what I say. Now I'm just going through my pictures now just to get things in order. So these are just pictures that are in this big collection of stuff that I have about this. They're talking about religion there, and as we can see from the head of that ancient staff, that everything meets at the inertia line, and there is a torus above and a torus below. But as you can see, it's not a torus, it's a halo wave, a set of wings that do not meet. It is not 2 toruses, it is halo waves, wings, as I have shown on a magnet. So this object corresponds to my magnetic field and how God describes his energy beings with wings, and they don't reciprocate.